Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix jump space, crashing at a startup, not launching or won't launch, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen, or black screen issue on Xbox console. So without wasting any time, let's jump to the fixes. The first fix includes step 1, 2, 3 and 4. After following all 4 steps, you can check if your problem is fixed or not. However, you can also check your problem is solved or not after following each step. So here we go. First step is to make sure your Xbox is up to date. So go to Xbox settings, click on system, click on updates and make sure it is up to date. If it is not, then update it. Step 2 is to clear jump space cache files. Press Xbox guide button, click on my games and apps and then click on see all. Look for jump space game and highlight it. Then press menu and select manage game and add-ons. Click on save data reserve space and then click on clear reserve space. You will see that profile is deleted automatically. If not, then delete profile. Make sure you click delete from console when deleting. Step 3 is to clear persistent storage. Go to Xbox settings, go to devices and connections, Blu-ray, click on persistent storage and then click clear persistent storage. Now if you don't see this option on your Xbox console, then skip this step. Step 4, clear alternate MAC address. Go to Xbox settings, go to general, network settings, navigate to advanced settings, alternate MAC address and then click on clear and then restart your console. After following all 4 steps, now launch jump space and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2, remove and re-add account. Go to Xbox settings, go to account, remove accounts. Select the account in which you are having the issue and then select remove. Now re-add your account. After adding your account, launch jump space and see if your problem is solved or not. Fix 3, manually select port. Go to Xbox settings, in general tab select network settings, test network connection, advanced settings. Select alternate port selection, then click on manual. Click on select port and choose a port that starts with 4 or 5. Continue. Restart your console and check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, then select the port one by one and check which one worked for you. Fix 4 is to run jump space from store instead of running the game from the Xbox home. To do this, type jump space in the search bar and click on it, then click on launch game and check. Fix 5, change DNS server. Go to your Xbox settings, in general tab select network settings, advanced settings, go to DNS settings, manual. Now enter 8.8.8.8 for primary DNS and enter 8.8.4.4 for secondary DNS and then save it and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then repeat the process and this time in primary DNS type 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS type 1.0.0.1 and then launch the game and check. 6th solution is to reinstall jump space. Now if none of the solution work for you, then the last solution is to uninstall jump space from your Xbox. Restart your console, then fresh reinstall jump space on your Xbox console and then launch the game and check if it fixes your issue or not. So by following these fixes, you will be able to fix jump space, crashing issue, crashing at a startup, not launching or won't launch, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen, or black screen issue on Xbox console. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.